Hey guys, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today me and Sashi are going to do the Fire Noodle Challenge! Yay! We are pretty much excited guys to do this. We wanted Baba to join, but since she doesn't eat spicy food, so it's just me and Sashi. Yes, this challenge is not a new challenge because this was around YouTube like 2 to 3 years ago. But we just wanted to try the Fire Noodle Challenge because we are so intrigued how spicy it is. And since Sashi likes spicy food, so we wanted to do it. And yeah, you've been watching a lot of Fire Noodle Challenge, Dino? Yeah, she's been watching, and like I've said, we are so intrigued how spicy this is because like I think I've seen a couple of videos actually doing Fire Noodle Challenge, and the one that I saw in particular was from Elaine Mock, and it's quite intriguing because she said in her video that the noodle was super spicy, and I think it was her boyfriend and her did the challenge, and to her it is so spicy that she cannot barely finish her noodle. So we are a little intrigued with that. And on the other side, we also watched Promise fans video on the Fire Noodle Challenge, and it's kind of a little intriguing because they added more pepper powder and pepper flakes into their samyang and fire noodle. So that leaves us thinking how spicy this noodle can be, while Promise Fan is adding more chili powder and chili peppers into her noodle, while Elaine Mock was telling everybody that it is so spicy. So today finally we are going to taste it ourselves, and let's see what are our verdicts, if it's really that spicy or it's just an okay spicy compared to the other noodles that we've tried, like the Nissan Payless super spicy or hot spicy noodle. That was really extra hot spicy noodles from Nissan. So yeah, we are so excited. Are you excited? Wow, that's really exciting. Really? So yeah, let's get started. So we already cooked our noodle. We covered it because we don't want it to get cold. Yeah, so this is our noodle. We already cooked it, and these are the seasonings, guys. It smells sweet. It doesn't smell bad. You like it? So let's go ahead. So this is our drink. We have Mountain Dew for our drink. Let me do yours then. This one first. So we are going to put the sauce first. Oh, it's so thick. Oh my gosh. But it smells good, like the, I don't know. Ba, chutomate ba, give me the packet because I want to throw the gumi. It smells the same with the misidap. Misidap is an Indonesian pancit canton, and it's so delicious, guys. You need to try that one too. Misidap. And then I'm gonna put this one next. I think these are the like mga sesame. Oh my god, you covered there the wind. You covered the electric fan like that. Okay, then you mix it, and then I'm gonna do mine. Oh, it smells good, I think. You wait for me, okay? Not yet. Wow, this looks so red. I thought the noodle there are a lot of noodles because from what I've seen on other videos, there are a lot of noodles, but surprisingly, there's not much noodles. Yeah, I thought that it would be like this on my plate, that much, but no. I think it's still, I think it is okay size noodle. Oh, by the way, disclaimer, guys. This video is not about me speaking in English or talking English, okay? Because this is not an English lesson. Just a disclaimer. I think my noodles started to dry now. Wow, that looks so red, Ate. To show it to the camera how red your noodle is. But it's not much, diba? It's not too much. Wow. Okay lang, no? I thought it would be a lot. Can I borrow yours, Ate? Wow. I just wish I have chopsticks right now because it will be easier for me to mix noodles. But this, if you have 2 forks, why not? Make use of what you have, guys. Do not complain. Be contented. Wow, this looks pretty red, no? But I don't know. Gosh. There are some vegetables on the picture, but there's no vegetable. I haven't seen any vegetable. It's just the, diba? Let's show them. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the new packaging for the Samyang Fire Noodle. Yeah, this is the new packaging. FYI. I'm just gonna pour Mountain Dew and I'll wear. Baba is watching us and she likes to drink Mountain Dew too. This is so exciting. Mana? Okay. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Okay. Ready. Get set. Go.
Wait, paspas?
No, not paspas. He said paspas. Do we need to eat it? Oh, how's that? Okay lang? How does it taste?
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Bicolista! Guys, I don't know if I could finish. Wow! It's so hot! It's so spicy! I must say, it's not comparable to the Nissin Payless Extra Hot Pancit Canton and from Dami Sidap. This is extremely hot. Super.
Oh,
Nen! Oh my God. I don't know. I misinterpret them. Dosyo. It's really spicy, you guys. I don't know with from Promise Fans video, they even added some pepper flakes, no? They added pepper flakes and chili powder. But this is already very spicy.
oh my gosh.
Even when it touches my tongue. Oh no. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna use the toilet after this. Oh my God. It's already here. I can't speak anymore. Are you okay? Dikiru.
Oh my God.
Don't drink too much. Wow! Oh my god, ate, finish. Mountain Dew, you need more? You underestimate the fire noodle, te. If you stop eating, guys, it starts to get more hotter and spicier. So it's better to eat and eat and eat so that the spiciness will not creep inside your mouth. I think I'm gonna eat fast so that, you know, it will be over, okay? I'm gonna eat faster. Ate is about to cry na. And my nose starts to get wet now. Excuse me. I'm gonna eat more. They say do not drink a lot of liquid because it makes it spicier. It tastes good, you guys, but the problem is that it is just too spicy. Yeah, it is really true that it is fire because my throat is on fire. Oh my god, I think I can't eat anymore. Let's try water. Ba, can you give us water?
I'm shaking.
Oh my god. Ate is sweating. Thank you ba? Oh my god. Do you wanna eat it? Huh? Or you want to give up? I feel like I want to give up na. I want to give up, guys. So we're back, guys, and somebody wants to try it too.
Yes.
And then
Let me try.
I come closer so that they will
Yeah.
see. Oh,
Sorry. Yes.
so
Let's see.
we took a little break, guys, because we couldn't take it anymore. It's just too hot, and we also made milk because they say it's better to drink it together with milk. I'm gonna try my milk. I feel like I'm having lip injections now. Ba, you wanna drink? Mag-drink? Go ahead. You drink. Dosyo. Wow. Anin likes it. You like to finish? You wanna finish mine? I'm gonna take my last bite. Parang I can finish mine. You want more? You want more? Oh, I'm not gonna be able to finish this, guys.
Thank you for the Mountain Dew.
Why? Why is so? Brought to you by. I surrender, guys. I'm a fail. I'm a fail on this challenge. Our new challenger, and she will finish mine.
No. Spicy overload.
I can take it. I can't take it anymore, guys.
I can't take the Mountain Dew.
But the Mountain Dew, I can take. Oh my god. I can't finish it. How about you, te? Oh, Ate is not giving up, but me, I'm giving up. A few more and Ate's gonna be a winner.
No!
Something. Bo. Okay ka? Okay ka lang, te?
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Anin, finish it, look guys. Look guys. Wow! Winner! Winner na winner. I think I only eat not half of it. I haven't eaten half of it because it hurts already here. My throat hurts already. Oh, she's crying na guys.
Wait.
She's missing.
A few more, I think 3 more.
No!
3 more. 3 more.
Yes, we're gonna do this
3
again.
more bites. Ah, you don't wanna do this again, but we have another pack. We bought 3. We bought 3 packs. Gambate! Gambate! Do you need a break or something? Or you just wanna declare it ba? Naniya tiruno. Baba! Could you finish that? You can't finish anymore?
No!
I'm gonna finish it. My God. I'm gonna finish this all, okay?
You want some milk?
Oh, that's it for this challenge, guys. As you can see, I did not survive the challenge. I gave up. I already gave up. I think I only ate not half of my noodle, and Shan finished my noodle, and Shashi she also did not finish her noodles, but I ate a few of her noodles. So yeah, that's it for this challenge. And we thought at first that it would be a very easy challenge, but it was not easy. Diba?
For an it says eat.
What can you say?
What?
How lazy.
You're gonna eat another fire noodle? What about you?
No.
Nen? Is it okay? Can you finish the whole pack?
Try
I
to.
guess.
I go. I guess. Maybe you can do your own challenge. We have another pack. Diba? What about it, guys? Comment below if Sean's gonna do her own fire noodle challenge, because she said that she can do it. But for the both of us, me and Sashi, no, we're not gonna eat another of this noodle because it's just not bearable. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you are entertained, and we really did enjoy doing this challenge. And yeah, if you have any comments or whatnot, just leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, I think that's it, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I think that's it. So we hope to see you on our next video. Bye bye.